like that very much. Shoot on JBL788. Or is it 778? I can never remember. I just wanted to let you know, Nikunj, may I call you Nikunj, that I forfeit. You are better than me. You're better than me. I forfeit. You can use that as a soundbite. I don't even mind you like taking it out of context. You can take this portion from my video and put it in your video if you want to sell the point. I forfeit to JBL778. I forfeit because Call of Duty Black Ops 2. That's the measure of a man. I respect that. That's the measure of a man. You're not a man unless you can beat someone at Black Ops 2. I mean, there is nothing else in life that's more important. There's nothing else in life of value than Black Ops 2. I mean, some people get into the UFC, they do real fighting, but no. Black Ops 2. Some people, they learn how to do a garden, or build a house, or raise cattle on a farm. But no. Black Ops 2. I forfeit. Nikunj.